Hello everyone. In this video, we would like to show you how you can access Microsoft Office 365 for free online, like Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for free. Okay, let me show you. I open another browser called Mode. So to access Microsoft Word, just type word.new. Boom. It will open up. But it asks you to sign in with your Microsoft account. So you can get it. It will open up your OneDrive and then you can work on your document like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Okay, let me open another tab right here and just type Word.new. Boom, you get it. I used to sign in with my Microsoft account. For example, just type run. Let's see. Boom, it generates text for me. See? And if you want to know Microsoft Word tip and trick, or Office, let me know in comment. Okay, access Word, just type word.new. What about how Excel? Just type excel.new. Boom, you get it. Okay. Hmm. So it start create and automatic save in your drive here. So you can change the location from default to another location. Let's see PowerPoint. Just type PowerPoint.new. Boom, you get it. So it store on your OneDrive and it may pop up ask you to subscribe, but no need in case you just want to working on your document and you need urgent, so you don't need to buy it. And a lot of feature right here, fully feature you can use it. Okay, hope you learned something from it though. See you next time.